Hadfield,
Robert Edwards.
Swan Pocket Swing. We did a
beginner Balboa workshop.
And we started with downhill basic today. We went 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, quick, slow. Stepping together on the quicks, pretty close, and travelling a bit more on the slow.
Trying to flow through all of your slows.
And having a constant pulse even when you're not stepping. And stop, and don't stop. And then we did a ad-lib action move. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. We could keep going forever. And we exited the first time with the left foot going backwards on basic. From any time we were going sideways with the right foot, we can change and go back with the left. If we happen to be going to the left, then we can change and go forward with the right, as if we were doing the second half of the basic. Make sense? And then after we did this musical sequence that went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back to basics. And we said you can do all of those things, like with a varying number of steps. You can do all slows, and you can do them rotationally as well as side to side. So the ad-libs can be sideways, or they can be rotational. We call those paddle turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, change. 1, 2, change. Step, change, 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 change. Back to basic, and all of those can be like continuing that way. You can also reverse direction, like 1, 2, 5, 6, change. 1, 2, 5, 6, change. 1, 2, change. 1, change, 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 change. And then you get little drag steps on the end.
So essentially there are 4 directions to your paddles. You can go leads going backwards on that foot.
Whoever's going backwards is the pivot point, so my foot has a nail through it.
And
I
then you
change.
can also go backwards on the other foot.
Yeah.
You go backwards on that foot.
And then my foot is there's still pivot point.
And then we can go backwards on the follower's foot. Follower's foot stays on more or less on spot. And then backwards this direction for the follower's foot. So there are 4 different directions.
Yeah.
Do them as you
The
feel
thing
like.
that I would say to make the pro tip for exiting or changing is that you want to step in your transition in the direction you want to go next. So if I'm paddling this way and I want to go forwards into a basic, I transition and I transition forwards. If I'm paddling this way and I want to go backwards into a basic, I transition back.
Keep going back.
So every time I change sides, I need to step in the direction I'm going to go next. I'm usually going to be stepping forwards onto my left or back onto my right.
Then we learned a come around,
We did a come around in place.
which has a lot of similarities to our paddle turn.
Quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. And the main thing is I just want to do my final step in the direction that I want to flow to next to my basic. And then we use that in a couple of different ways. It has a part A where we do most of the rotation. 1, 2, 3, and then part B is the resolution. 5, 6, 7. And we talked about how 5, 6, 7 just goes forwards and backwards. And we're going to disconnect those 2 pieces and use them separately. First piece, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to use that to go into lollies. 1, 2, 3. Behind opens kick. And then we did these lolly kicks. Tap, step, kick, step, tap, step.
So remember to practice getting good lollies. Put your hands together at around about hip height and feel that bounce on each hip as we go. And try and get that nice equal bouncy when you get into your bouncy. We still want to have that same feel of feeling those hips, which is how we get into our throw out.
So we talked about making a little extra on 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7.
Let's break that down super slow.
Little step back for 6. 7, we have a stretch. I'm not going to punch this forward, I'm going to hold it back for the stretch.
So I'm stretching the elastic that is his arm.
And his hips do this stretching. And then when we release, we play the game. There's a center line. If we cross it, we lose a life. You have to release and close without crossing that line.
So in slow motion with rhythm,
I'm
we
going
go
to move rubber band towards each other, but I need to dodge Emma. 7,
Seven,
dodge,
catch,
step,
and
step,
back, and
close
close.
with a pivot,
Quick,
5, 6,
quick,
7.
slow.
And right there on 5, 6, 7, you saw that second half of the come around. 5, 6, 7 goes. 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
Now,
Then we took the lollies out.
can you demonstrate now on your own that come around footwork? Throw
1,
out footwork.
2, 3. Behind.
And kick.
Hit through. Go forwards onto it. Quick,
Forwards
quick,
and
slow
down.
with a pivot.
Around.
5 goes forward
and
and
back.
back to basic. Shoot, you do.
Then that will look like this.
Without the
1,
lollies,
2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
round,
quick,
round,
slow,
round,
release,
behind,
stretch.
open, go forward, catch,
the
and
back,
close,
close.
pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we counts 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, soft, close like an
5,
IKEA
6,
kitchen.
7. One more time, but
Face
with
a different
steps.
way.
5, 6, 7.
Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow.
Kick, step.
Quick,
Step,
quick,
step,
slow. Quick, quick, slow.
Okay.
Remember, rhythm is your lifeline. If you're ever not sure what foot you should be standing on, make sure that you hold fast to the rhythm and you'll probably be on the right foot. It's quick, quick, slow until we change to a quick, quick rhythm for our ad-libs, and then it's quick, quick, slow again. So kick step is our uphold.
It's a different type of slow, but we
So
didn't
the
really
basic
talk
is
about
quick, quick, down, hold, quick, quick, down, hold, or quick, quick, up, down, quick, quick, up, down. So upholds or down holds. When we did the lollies, they're upholds. 1, 2, down, step, step, up, down, quick, quick, down, step, up, down, up, down, down.
Anyway,
That's it. Those are the things we covered today.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.